Hello dear students. In this video we are going to do exercise 7.1 question number 6. See here, you have to evaluate this, limit x tends to limit y tends to 1, 2y minus 2 upon cube root of 7 plus y, minus 2. Here this cube root of 7 plus y minus 2. First of all, you take 2 common from the numerator, so it is limit y tends to 1, 2 times y minus 1 upon cube root of 7 plus y minus 2. This 2 is nothing but cube root of 8, you can write. This is what? Cube root of 8. 2 raised to power 3 is equal to what? 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. Is 2. Now this 2 you can take outside the limit over here, और यहाँ पर हम substitute करेंगे 7 plus y. Here we put 7 plus y, that is equal to say x. Now as here x tending to y tends to 1, here as y tends to 1, so y is tending to 1, so what x will tends? So x will tends to what? Y के बदले 1 रखेंगे तो 7 plus 1 8, so x will approach to what? 8. Now this y minus 1 will be equal to how much? Therefore listen, y is equal to x minus 7 होगा यहाँ पर, and y minus 1 will be equal to what? x minus 7 और minus 1 मतलब x minus 8 आएगा. So this L will be equal to what? Therefore L will be equal to, ये 2 हमने बाहर लिया है, this 2 will take outside, limit here as x is y is tending to 1, x is tending to what? 8. यहाँ पर x tends to 8 आएगा. Y minus 1 is equal to what? X minus 8 upon 7 plus y, it is equal to what? X. So ये x, cube root of x means raised to power how much? 1 by 3 minus 8 raised to power 1 by 3. तो हम इसे लिख सकते हैं L is equal to, here L is equal to 2 times limit x tends to 8, here 1 upon x raised to power 1 by 3 minus 8 raised to power 1 by 3 and whole upon x minus 8. ये जो न्यूमरेटर में x minus 8 है, इसके डिनोमिनेटर में आप लिख सकते हैं. Then we apply formula over here to 1 upon limit x tends to 8, limit x tends to 8 of x raised to power 1 by 3 minus 8 raised to power 1 by 3 upon x minus 8. So we apply formula over here, limit x tends to a, x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a, that is equal to what? N into a raised to power n minus 1. So here 2 upon C. N is equal to what here? 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 3 and A is 8. 8 raised to power 1 by 3 minus 1. What is this 1 by 3 minus 1? It is minus of 2 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus of 2 by 3. This is minus of 2 by 3. तो ये न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा और ये 1/3 विल बी, इट इज 2 into 3 और ये भी न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा 8 रेज टू पावर 2 by 3. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे हम 2 into 3 into 8. So 8 we will write as 2 cube raised to power 2 by 3, so that this 3 और 3 cancel होगा and it will be 2 into 3 into 2 square. Okay, it is 2 square. So what it will be? 24 will be the answer. Okay, this is 2 square, 4 into 6, 24. Yes. Next question is question number 7. Now let's do question number 7. Yeah, question number 7 is here we will do question number 7. Limit z tends to a of, limit z tends to a of z plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 minus a plus 2 raised to power p by 2 upon z minus a, upon z minus a, z minus a. What we do here, add and subtract 2. यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में हम 2 ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. तो लिमिट z टेंस टू a, z टेंस टू a, z प्लस 2 रेज टू पावर 3 by 2 minus a plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 upon, here we add 2 or subtract 2. what 2 are ये minus of 2 cancel होगा और z plus a आएगा. Here now we put z plus 2 that is equal to say x, और a plus 2 को भी आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, that is equal to say b. Now as here z is tending to a, यहाँ पर a plus 2 आएगा, x will be a plus 2 but a plus 2 is b, so what you can write, x will tends to b, x will tends to what? b. So therefore limit L will be equal to, limit L will be equal to what? Limit x tends to b, limit x tends to b of, substitution है, z plus 2 is equal to what? x raised to power 3 by 2 minus b raised to power 3 by 2. Yes, denominator z plus 2 is x और a plus 2 is b. हाँ, तो ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आ गए. Then here what is n over here? So n is equal to what? 3 by 2 और a क्या है? b है. So applying that formula, it is n, that is 3 by 2 into b raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1. So what will be 3 by 2? b raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 into what is our b? b क्या है? b is a plus 2 है और रूट 1 by 2 मतलब रेस्ट टू पावर रूट ऑफ a plus 2 आएगा आंसर. तो यस दिस लिमिट l will be equal to 3 by 2 into square root of a plus 2 आंसर आएगा. yes. Next question we'll do, that is question number 8. See here question number 8. Question number 8 is limit x tends to 7 x cube minus 343 upon root of x minus root of 7. तो 343 आपको देखना है 7 के मल्टीपल में है क्या? 7 स्क्वायर इज 49. 49 को आप 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो तो इट गिव्स अस 343. तो 343 is 7 raised to power what? 3. 7 cube is equal to what? 343. Then write down solution. L is equal to limit x tends to 7 x cube minus 7 raised to power 3 upon x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 7 raised to power 1 by 2. Now we divide numerator and denominator by x minus 7. The limit x tends to 7 of x raised to power 3 minus 7 raised to power 3 divided by x minus 7 or x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 7 raised to power 1 by 2 upon x minus 7. Now this numerator का लिमिट क्या होगा? This will be here x tends to a. Here limit x tends to 7 x cube minus 7 cube upon x minus 7 और डिनोमिनेटर में लिमिट x tends to 7 of x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 7 raised to power 1 by 2 upon x minus 7. So apply formula over here. So if we apply formula, then this will be 3 into 7 raised to power 3 minus 1 and denominator will be 1 by 2 into 7 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1. ठीक है, this is 3 into 7 raised to power 3 by 2 मतलब 7 square upon 1 upon 2 into 7 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2. तो ये ऊपर जाएगा and this will be equal to 3 by 2. ये 2 न्यूमरेटर में आएगा तो इट इज 3 into 2 7 raised to power 2 and raised to power 1 by 2. So it is plus 1 by 2 which is 6 into this will be 6 into 7 raised to power 6 into 7 raised to power 5 by 2 या इसे हम लिख सकते हैं 6 into 7 स्क्वायर into रूट ऑफ 7 भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके So this 49 into the L is equal to 6 into 49 into root 7 आएगा, which is okay this root 7, ये आंसर आएगा इसका. दोनों आंसर आप लिख सकते either this or 294 root 7. Next last question, that is question number 9. Here question number 9 is limit x tends to 1, x plus x cube, ये सारे ऑड पावर्स है, x to the power 5 plus up to x raised to power 2n minus 1 minus n upon x minus 1. It is limit x tends to 1. See, there are n number of terms. ये x raised to power 1 है, ये 3, 5 ऐसे 2n minus 1. So these are odd powers 1, 2, 3 up to n terms है. और ये जो लास्ट में n है, n को भी आप एक्सप्रेस कर सकते 1 plus 1 plus 1 ऐसे n number of times. So therefore we can write it as x raised to power 1 plus x cube plus x to the power 5 plus up to x raised to power 2n minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus up to n number of times, and whole divided by x minus 1. Then we will group this. Limit x tends to 1. Okay, we will group this. x, फिर ये 1 है, x minus 1 plus ये x cube है minus 1 plus x to the power 5 is there minus 1 plus up to x to the power 2n minus 1 minus 1 and whole divided by x minus 1, whole divided by x minus 1. Here now L is equal to limit x tends to 1 of x minus 1 upon x minus 1, then x cube minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus x to the power 5 minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus up to x raised to power 2n minus 1 minus 1 upon x minus 1. Now remember limit x tends to 1 x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1, that is equal to what? N. So always keep in mind this limit. Okay, so limit x raised to power x tends to 1 x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1, that is equal to what? N. यहाँ पर we apply the same result over here. यहाँ पर n क्या है? 5 है, यहाँ पर n 2n माइनस 1 है, यहाँ पर n 3 है, यहाँ पर n 1. तो दिस लिमिट विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? दिस इज इक्वल टू L विल बी इक्वल टू ये लिमिट 1, ये लिमिट 3, ये लिमिट 5 और ऐसे करते लिमिट 2n माइनस 1 आएगा. Now this is sum of, it is nothing but summation of, okay, 2r minus 1 where r is equal to 1 to n. ये summation notation में हम लिखेंगे 2 times summation of r is equal to 1 to n minus summation of 1, r is equal to 1 to n. Now summation of this r, that is equal to what? Summation of r is equal to, here summation of r is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Summation of 1 is n, ये 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, n into n n स्क्वायर माइनस प्लस n और माइनस n, इसे कैंसिल करो और आपको आंसर आएगा n स्क्वायर. So yes dear students, in this video we did this remaining 9 questions of the exercise 1. Now exercise 7.2 is on factorization method. Okay, we factorize numerator and denominator and then we evaluate. So we will continue this in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.